back to your favorite channel, Math Helper. See exercise 1.1, question number 4. Using Euclid's lemma, prove that square of any positive integer is of form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Now, you will assume let a be a positive integer. So, according to Euclid's lemma of division, you know only that a is equal to bq plus r. Now b is 3 because here 3 is written with the positive integer with integer m, therefore you will take b3. If b3 you are taking, then what will be the value of r? Possible value of r will be, r is always greater than equal to 0 or less than b. b is 3, so less than 3. So r value can be 0, 1 or 2 because less than 3 is there, so up to 2 you have to take. Now you will put the values. When r is equal to 0, a will come equal to 3q. a will come equal to 3q. Now you will square both the sides. You will get a square is equal to 3q square, that is 9q square, because here square word is there, so you have to square both the sides. Now you will take, because you want here 3, so 3 you will take common and 3q square will be left. Now q is a integer, so q square will be a positive integer. So let you represent that 3q square a positive integer by k1. So first you will get a square is equal to 3k1. When r is equal to 1, you will get a is equal to 3q plus 1. Now again square you will do, because square word is there in the question. You will square them, a plus b whole square. You will get 3q square plus 2 into 3q into 1 plus 1 square. 3q square 9q square plus 6q 3 into 3q into 2 6q into 1 6q plus 1. Now plus 1 you want, so out of these two terms you will take 3q common. You will get here 3q plus 2 plus 1. Now these q into 3q plus 2 you will take another positive integer k2. So 3k2 plus 1 you will get. Now r is equal to 2. You will put a value, you will get 3q plus 2. Again squaring both the sides, you will get this. Now a plus b whole square, you will open 3q square plus 2 into 3q into 2 plus 2 square. 3q square 9q square plus 3 2 is a 6, 6 2 is a 12, 12q plus 4. Now important step you see. Here 4 is there. You want 1. Plus 1 you want, na? Plus 1 is there in the question, and here you want 3, so that you can take 3 common. So important step is there. This you keep in mind. 4 you can write 3 plus 1. Now 3 you can take common from these 3. You will get 3q plus 3q square plus 4q plus 1 plus 1. Now this full you will take a integer. So you will write k2 plus 1. Now up to r is equal to 2 you have to do. Up to k3 you take, because 2 already you have taken here, k1 you have taken here, so here you do take k3. You write that k1, k2, k3 are positive integer. पॉजिटिव इसलिए होंगे क्योंकि इंटीजर तो है q, लेकिन जब आपने q को एक पॉजिटिव से मल्टीप्लाई किया, मतलब स्क्वायर ही आ रहा है ना, तो ये हमेशा एक पॉजिटिव इंटीजर ही रहेगा. देयरफॉर यू विल टेक देम अ पॉजिटिव इंटीजर. सो you can replace them by m also. You can replace by m also. या आप यहाँ पे इंटीजर ही लिख दो, पॉजिटिव की जरूरत नहीं है. You will write here integer only, because in question it is given that m is an integer. So this only you have to prove. So in place of k1, k2, k3 you can write m. So you will write that this proves that square of any positive integer is of form 3m or 3m + 1, क्योंकि इसमें 3m की फॉर्म में आया और इसमें 3m + 1 की फॉर्म में आया, देयरफॉर इट इज प्रूव्ड। थैंक यू।